confidence makes a big difference when you're out on the trail off-roading. And one of the best things is to have all 4 of your tires grip the ground as you crawl up some type of obstacle. That's when Currie developed the Antirock system, which actually forces your Jeep to have 4-wheel footing when you're trying to travel over an obstacle. The first step of the kit is to lift your vehicle up in the air securely and remove the rear tires. Next, remove the factory sway bar and end links from the vehicle. You'll need to pop out the plastic fasteners that hold in the rear fender liners to remove them. Now here's a look at the complete kit, where we first started by installing one of the bushings into the frame bracket first before installing the bracket into the spline bar. Install the assembly across the back of the vehicle and secure the bracket with the supplied 1/2-inch hardware and frame spacer. Next, install the arm retaining bolt plus the washers to the spline bar. Moving to the other side, repeat the same process by installing the anti-rock bracket to the frame and bushing over the spline bar. Based on your body lift amount, clock the bar properly between the body and the frame. Now mark the points using a center punch, drill a pilot hole, and install the self-tapping bolts with a dab of thread locker to keep them in place. With both brackets secured to the frame, it's now time to install the other sway bar arm. Mark and cut the inner metal structure as well as the plastic fender liners for arm travel. Reinstall the plastic fender liners by using the original fasteners. Once the liner is in place, you may need to trim down more of the fender liner until the arm has an unobstructed range of travel. Assemble the Antirock Sway Bar links per the dimensions in the instructions. Install the top links into the sway bar arms. Relocate the brake lines as necessary to allow the sway bar housing tab to be welded into place. Bolt the sway bar end links to the housing tabs as well as the jam nuts that hold the heim joints. Now go back and check all of the hardware for proper torque specs per the instructions.
It's a pretty dramatic difference. Nothing scary about it. Doesn't feel like you're going to tip one direction or the other. Keeping those tires planted on the ground and more articulation. The other one would pivot and rock to one side, then back to the other side. This it just kind of stays planted as it goes down. And that was driving down through the biggest holes that were there.
To purchase this product or for more information, visit RockJock4x4.com. Also, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, here on YouTube. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to keep up with all our videos.